It's a rainy old day in Katowice, and you can see I'm on my own today. So we arrived quite late yesterday after that train ride, and went out to see Aneta's grandmother and her mum, and we got home a bit later. But today I thought, and Aneta thought, it'd be a good idea just for her to go for a few hours, just to spend with her grandmother without me there. Grandmother only speaks Polish, and I don't speak Polish, so I don't want it to feel a bit funny that she's speaking to Aneta in Polish and leaving me out of the conversation. So we thought it'd probably best if she headed out there, spent the day, and then I'll go out there for dinner tonight. But what I'm going to do today is have a walk around rainy Katowice, see if I can find some cool stuff to show you guys, because I've never been here before. And well, sorry, correct that. I have been here before, but it was only to get off the train, go to the Galleria there, pick up the Cuban visas, and go back to the bus. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can find some good stuff to show you. So stick around if you want to have a tour of rainy Katowice. Come across this monument for 4 murdered Polish guys who were killed by Hitler's invaders in September of 1939. Absolute tragedy. Just gonna walk up this way, see if I can find some other stuff. Well, I walked for about 15-20 minutes back from that way and ended up in a residential area, so there wasn't too much out that way. So I'm going to head back into the city centre and have a little look around the Katowice Galleria, and maybe give Super Sam another go. When we were here last time, they said there was a classic car show there, so that might be interesting to have a look at. But it's pretty hard to film on this rainy day, and there's not much around, but we'll give it a go. Just arrived back in the main sort of street of Katowice. So back this way is the main bus terminal. We came on that Flixbus, so we come through this park this way, and up here on the right is the Katowice Galleria. On the left is Super Sam's. And last time I think the Katowice Galleria is the one to go to, and it's right next to our hotel as well. We're staying at the Mercure, so I've got to head there now. Downstairs is the train. That's where we got off the train yesterday. The main train station is right behind there. So I've got to head there now to work out how to get to the airport tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to fly to Munich to go to Oktoberfest. So I want to make sure we're all sorted for that before AB gets back. I'm going to walk down here a little bit and then head to the train station. This is Katowice Galleria, and the train station is actually part of this whole complex. I think it's pretty new. I don't think it's been here very long. I'm going to wander inside, get out of the rain for a minute, and find where this bus that takes us to the airport is, because Google says it's in here. Not again. No, all right. It's a pretty modern mall, modern shopping centre. It's got everything you need. Coffee, lotto. Just going to walk around the back, find the train station and find where this bus is. So I found where the bus goes from. It goes from just over behind here in the rain, but it's a private bus operator. So the public bus operators right on the other side where I was filming before. So it means if it's raining tomorrow morning, we're going to get absolutely soaked getting to the bus. So these guys here are 40 zloty, which is well, it's like $14. I think the public bus will be a lot cheaper. But Uber's around 100 zloty, so that's like $30. So just to not get wet and get a bit more relaxed ride to the airport, I might just grab an Uber. I'll go work out the city bus and see if that's going to be any easier for us. But at this stage, Uber looks like the winner. Just had a bit of a walk around there. Felt weird filming inside, so I'll just cut that out. Anyway, I'm going to head down to Super Sam, which is straight down the head of the road, and go to the supermarket because I've got to get a few little bits and pieces before we get to Germany. Hopefully they sell Lederhosens. I doubt it, but you never know. Yeah, so I'll show you what inside of Super Sam's look like. Maybe there's not that many people and it won't be weird. This is Super Sam's. All the top levels are closed off, everything's closed. So I'm going to call it and say that Katowice Galleria is the one to go to. No car show either that finished, so I missed that. But anyway, it's fine. Just want to try and find a shopping centre. There's an Aldi downstairs, but it's a weird Aldi, so I'm going to keep looking. Got to be a shopping centre around here somewhere. Supermarket, come on. Well, I'm going to call it a day. It's pissing it down, it's cold, and it's no fun without AB. So I got some beers for the night, and I'm going to head back to the hotel, do some editing, chill out for a couple of hours, and then jump into Uber and head out to Rudoslavska. So not much of a video, but I hope you enjoyed what it was. A little look around Katowice. So we're going to see you in the next one. Bye.